Troy University will receive $3.2 million from the National Institute of Standards and Technology for establishing a Center for Materials and Manufacturing Sciences at Troy University. It's especially inspired by having local industries here like KW Plastics and HB&G who are involved with these kind of materials. Working with them, we saw the potential for this concept to help them and to really be a win-win for the university and the local economy.
KW Plastics is the world's largest plastics recycler located right here in Troy, Alabama. So it's very important to us that we see the university taking this step forward, not simply just to educate their students in an academic setting, but actually to give them the opportunity for applied science. And we're looking forward to seeing the R&D that comes forth from this center, and look forward to meeting many of the challenges that the recycling industry, particularly in plastics, pose to us.
We've always enjoyed a wonderful town and gown relationship with Troy University. The biggest thing is as our city grows, the university grows, and vice versa. As the university grows, the city grows, and I know the university is all about producing job-ready graduates. So anytime we can be of assistance and help the university grow, bringing this center to the campus so that these job-ready graduates are out there. So when they leave the university, they're ready to go to work.
So this will be a place for research and practical science. We have three different components within the center. We will have an analysis component, we'll have a production component, and we'll have a mechanical testing component. So students will be exposed to all the various techniques when it comes to plastics and polymers. We're very excited. This is big. We hope it's only the beginning.